I've finally had a chance to analyze our 2024 usage. How did we do? And how can you perhaps travel for less than $100 per night in timeshare, just like we did? I'll go over all the numbers as we talk about it, right after this. Hello, I'm Jeremy and welcome to Destination Timeshare. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how we personally fared with our timeshare usage back in 2024. I've been able to crunch all the numbers to determine how we spent less than $100 per night just by using timeshare. I made a similar video to this last year for our 2023 usage, but in that video we just looked at how we used our Marriott Vacation Club weeks, exchanging them through Interval International to show you how much we saved if we were to compare it to using Abound Club points instead. If you want to see that video, click on the link up here in the upper right, or check out the description box below. I'll put a link down there too. But now let's jump into our 2024 numbers. We stayed a total of 137 nights in timeshare in 2024. 2 stays and 14 nights with Interval International accommodation certificates, 3 stays and 13 nights using Club Wyndham, and our Club Wyndham access points. If you want to see where I talk about us buying Club Wyndham, check out this video right up here. We also then had 5 Interval International exchanges, totaling 35 nights, 7 getaways booked through Interval International for 49 nights, 2 6-night short stay getaways through Interval International as well for 12 nights. Then we had 14 nights stayed over 3 reservations that we made using our Vistana star options. Before we get too far into looking at our cost based on each resort or resort system we used, I'd like to ask if you like this video and like seeing more videos where I sit here and drone on about timeshare tips, and so much more, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more videos with yours truly in it. Also, be sure to click on that like button so YouTube sends this video to more people looking for help using their timeshare. Now let's look at our cost based on the resorts that we traveled to. We stayed in Club Wyndham, Disney Vacation Club, Marriott Vacation Club, Sheraton and Westin Vacation Club, as well as Westgate Resorts. I'm going to round some of these numbers off to the nearest $10. So first up, we actually spent 14 nights in Disney Vacation Club for just $110 per night. Marriott Vacation Club for $90 per night. Westin and Sheraton Vacation Club, otherwise called Vistana, for only $70 per night. Westgate was only $50 per night. These were actually 3 weeks, 2 of which were in a 2-bedroom, and the 3rd week was in a 1-bedroom unit. They're also all Interval International getaways or short stay getaways. It's really actually hard to beat $50 per night, regardless of what unit size or even resort you might be staying at. Now with our Club Wyndham stays, this actually seems to be our nemesis. Not sure what it is, if it's because we're still new to the Club Wyndham system or we're reserving resorts where the points requirements to book are actually very high. Anyway, those 13 nights that we stayed had a nightly cost of $185 per night. If we were to look at all 137 nights together, maintenance fees, exchange fees, fees to reserve accommodation certificates, as well as to book Interval International getaways, our total all-in cost per night was only $84.78. Now, I fully understand that we stayed a lot of nights, and these averages might bring the cost per night down significantly, taking advantage from what I call bonus time, that being Interval International getaways and accommodation certificates, really helps with that. You really don't need to travel a lot to take advantage of these, and if you want to learn more about how we make it all happen and happen to own or are looking to buy Marriott or Vistana timeshare ownership, check out the Destination Timeshare Learning Institute. This is where I offer MVC Made Easy and VSE Made Easy, 2 online courses where I teach you everything that I know about ownership in the Westin, Sheraton, or Marriott Vacation Club programs. You can find a link in the description box below, the pinned comment, or also scan the QR code here on the screen to take your ownership to a whole new level. Check it out and enroll today. Also, don't forget to click on that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.